John, can I ask you something?
Sure, Anna. What's on your mind?
Do you ever feel like it's impossible to improve your English speaking? No matter how hard you try, you just don't get better?
Oh, yes. Sometimes I feel stuck at the same level forever.
Exactly. If you feel like that, you might have a habit called faking progress.
Faking progress. What does that mean? What is faking progress?
It means you think you're improving, but in reality, you're just wasting time.
How?
For example, instead of speaking, you spend hours watching videos about how to improve speaking.
Oh no, I do that all the time.
Or you add many learning activities to stay busy, but you don't actually speak much.
So I'm learning but not practicing enough.
Exactly, and that's why your progress feels very slow, stuck in research mode.
So how do I know if I'm faking progress?
Let's look at the first symptom. You're stuck in research mode.
Research mode.
Yes, you keep watching videos, looking for new tips, new methods, but you don't actually practice speaking.
Wow, I'm literally watching a video about speaking right now.
Research is good sometimes, but if you keep hearing the same advice again and again, you already have enough information.
So I should stop searching and start speaking?
Exactly. Doing the bare minimum.
What's the second symptom?
You only do the bare minimum.
Like practicing for 5 minutes and then stopping?
Yes, speaking fluently needs real time, at least 20 minutes a day. If you want faster progress, try 40 minutes.
Sometimes they say, okay, I practiced today, after just a few minutes.
That's the problem. A little practice won't create big results. Only easy practice.
What's the third one?
You only choose easy practice.
Like reading sentences out loud?
Yes, or repeating after someone like a parrot.
But that feels comfortable.
Exactly. Real speaking is uncomfortable. You have to think fast, choose words, make sentences quickly.
And I make many mistakes.
That's normal. Mistakes mean you're learning.
So I should practice speaking spontaneously.
Yes. Talk to a friend, talk to an AI chatbot, talk to yourself. Just speak without a script. Overcomplicating everything.
And the last symptom?
You overcomplicate your routine.
I use 5 apps, 3 books, 2 YouTube channels.
See? Too much. Listening and speaking.
That's it?
That's it. Simple. And because I focused, I improved quickly. Target final message. Stop hiding behind research. Practice longer. Choose difficult speaking exercises. Keep my routine simple.
And stop faking progress.
Exactly.
Wow, I think I was faking progress without realizing it.
That's the tricky part. It happens unconsciously.
All right, from today, I'll speak up for real.
That's the spirit, chat spirit.